All right, we're back almost 6:45 now this Saturday morning. It's getting a little lighter out there, but still pretty chilly.
It is. Latest sunrise of the year happening this morning. Of course, that's the reason we fall back tonight.
Yep.
So we'll take the extra hour of sleep, although I think most people are kind of bummed about the darker afternoons.
Yeah, I know.
For a little while. But it won't last forever, that's for sure. We are getting a little taste of kind of winter out there this morning.
For sure.
We're down in the 20s. Here's a look outside. Nice clear sky. A light wind allowing the temperatures to really drop. It's 28 degrees in Bar Harbor right now. And obviously the big story this weekend going to be the change in the clocks, and that means sunset's going to be a lot earlier around here. The last sunset in the 5s will be this afternoon at 5:25, and then tomorrow 4:23 in the evening will be sunset, and the earliest in Portland comes on December 9th, sunset about 4:03 in the afternoon then. Chilly morning out there. It's 21 in Lewiston, Auburn, 19 from Freiburg to Berlin, New Hampshire. Bangor and Waterville both at 24. Notice Augusta is 32. That's because the airport where the observations are taken is a little higher up. So down in the Kennebec Valley, we definitely have some 20s this morning. It is 25 in Wiscasset and 28 degrees in Portland right now. A few passing clouds out there, otherwise nice and clear, and there's nothing going on here in the Northeast. High pressure in place, and that will play defense and block this big storm from having any chance of coming our way. We may not even see a cloud from it. But to our south, not great weather this weekend or early next week with that storm offshore. So for today, we'll see a lot of sunshine. Takes a little while for the temperatures to rise up. It'll be in the upper 40s by noontime. High temperatures today, I think, make it into the lower 50s along the coast and in southern Maine, right around 50 for most everywhere else. Now this evening, clear sky and a light wind will mean the temperatures start dropping quickly. So by 8 o'clock, we'll have a lot of 30s out there. And as we get to 11 or midnight, there will be places dropping into the upper 20s by that point. So a chilly evening if you have any Saturday night plans, but no weather problems. And by tomorrow morning, lows will be down in the 20s to around 30 once again. So another chilly and frosty night coming up tonight. Tomorrow, basically a repeat. Sunny again, but about 2 degrees warmer in most spots. We hit 52 in Bangor, 54 in Portland, and 55 in Freiburg for high temperatures tomorrow. So nothing to worry about with this storm. That goes out to sea. And then this area of high pressure drifts nearby and starts to send some milder air our way for early in the week. We're still bright and sunny on Monday. High temperatures in the upper 50s then. Should hit the lower 60s on Tuesday with a partly sunny sky. And then this front will come south and will bring in somewhat cooler air for the second half of the week. But even still, it's not going to be all that bad. As we look at rainfall through Friday, you can see all the rain we're missing to our south out to sea. But between now and Friday, there really is not much coming. Couple of showers, perhaps on Wednesday, that may drop 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch. But we'll probably have to wait until next weekend for the next round of significant rain. Seas today will be around 2 to 4 feet with a light west to southwest wind. No advisories in effect. But one thing I wanted to point out, we're in the middle of some king tides. So that means there might be some minor water inundation, especially on the Portland Pier, Marginal Way, around the Scarborough Marsh. Typical susceptible areas around high tide, which is 12:30 this afternoon. Other than that, a ton of sunshine and a warming trend. We're back up to about 60 on Tuesday, maybe a shower or two on Wednesday, but really doesn't look like a big deal right now. And then cooler weather starts to build in for Veterans Day and the end of next week. But mid-November, this is often our cloudiest month and often a pretty stormy month. That's just about as good as it's going to get around here.
Yeah, the fact that we're still seeing 60s, like that.
Yeah, that'll be great
on
Tuesday.
For sure.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Bri.